Hey everybody, I'm gonna give a quick review of this Howard's Restor-a-Finish. I've been working away on my kitchen cabinets and my bathroom cabinets. I'm just about to do the bottom of the kitchen cabinets. This is the last section, and I am so impressed with this stuff. I've got to show everybody like how this works. I didn't think it was going to do such an amazing job. I keep waiting for like something bad to happen with it, but it's wonderful. All you need to do this project is you need the Howard's Restor-a-Finish. I chose walnut, which is close to what I got. Works, seems to be doing just fine. And then a pack of steel wool. This is the quadruple aught. And it comes with, there's a lot of packs in here. I was for like $3, and I was like, I don't need this many packs. Well, I am going through, I think this is my fifth pad. I use them until, you know, they're breaking down. Pair of gloves for your hands, and then pieces of old rags or old towel. And I'm going to show you how to do this. So this is, these are the drawers. You can see some of just the old wear and tear on it. It's not going to remove these things, so it's not like a miracle worker. I mean, that's like pieces of the veneer that's gone, so it's not going to replace those. But all this kind of water damage and just, you know, wiping down the cabinets and using them. This is a 40-year-old house, so, you know, it's been around for a while, but I don't have the 15 grand or plus to replace these cabinets, and they're still in really good working order. This is when cabinets were actually like made with real wood and real veneer rather than plastic, so they're still in good condition. They just need a little facelift. This stuff is doing the trick. It's amazing. Okay, so I just take the steel wool, put a little bit of this Restor-a-Finish on. You can see it on the pad, and literally this is all you have to do. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Going with the grain. If there's something, if I need to put a little more, you know, effort into it, I can do a little, you know, grind it in a little bit, but otherwise it's just wiping it back and forth, and I can feel when it's not on the pad anymore and I don't have enough on there. I'll do that again. And you see how that is taking away all that wear and tear and giving it just a little bit of a facelift. Totally worth it. The jar itself is what, $9.99 over at Home Depot. It's just a couple passes here. We take our rag, wipe it off. And then you can see the difference between the two. Isn't it beautiful? Like I said, not a miracle worker, just freaking does the job for 10 bucks. Pretty awesome. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, we're looking at like 15 with the gloves and the steel wool, and then a little bit of tax, right? And just a few minutes. I've been taking this project just in chunks, and my arm's a little sore because I did already the bathrooms and the all these upper cabinets, and I got a 1,000 square foot house. This is gonna be done in the next, you know, barely an hour. Just got these bottom ones to do, and that's it. Pretty awesome stuff. A little bit more demonstration. Here's this guy. Look at that. It's really awesome. I did not think it was going to be this easy. You know, nothing when you're doing your updating your house is easy. Woo! Yeah. Anyway, there's a spider. That's what you get for old houses. I'm gonna put some more stuff on here. Since it's a new pad, it's really soaking up this the Restor-a-Finish. So it's not like when the pad is just about dead and it's got tons of stuff in it. Anyway, you can see how well it's doing. You know, people are gonna come in and take a look at this house when I go to sell it, and it's gonna look just that one little bit better. And they can see that these cabinets are gonna last, you know, easily. They can easily last another 10 years. They are in really, really good shape. It's just a little wear and tear.